Morning, dear students. This is Vimal Pradeep, teacher from Rainy Blooms Lekol International CBSE School, Tirukano. Happy morning, dear students. Today we are going to see about algebraic expressions and identities. The continuation of exercise 9.2. Already what we are doing, the operations, addition, subtraction, multiplication. The same concept we are going to apply. One or two cases I am going to teach you. You just watch clearly and then ask doubts. Do the sum in exercise 9.2. Find the products. First sum is 4,7p. I am going to do that. So first term 4, the constant. Second one is 7p. So you just find the product, that is multiplication of two products, 4 into 7p. So simply we can multiply the coefficients, that is the numerical values. So 4 sevens are 28. Only one variable is there, that is p. This is the answer. Second one is 4p cube into, you can remove the comma and put the multiplication symbol, minus 3p. You can expand the variables, that is 4 into p into p into p into minus 3p. So now we can multiply the numerical values, that is the 4 into minus 3. 4 3s are 12, plus into minus 12. Here the variables are same, everything. So you can multiply p into p square into p cube, another one p is there, p power 4. When the same variable has come, you can increase the power of the variable, that's all. Here p power 3, that is a p cube. Here p power 1, that is p only 1p. So you can increase the powers alone. Second question, find the areas of rectangles. Find the areas of rectangles. So we know that area of a rectangle is equal to L into B square units. See here the given two values, that is the 10m and 5n. So you can assume that the bigger value is L is equal to 10m. Smaller value is breadth is equal to 5n. So what is the formula? Area of a rectangle is L into B. You can multiply 10m into 5n. You can multiply the numerical values, that is the 10 into 5 is 50. Variables are different, m into n, mn. That's all. The answer is 550 mn. So when we are multiplying 10m and 5n, the answer is 50 mn. Here another question, the same topic, find the areas of the rectangle, that is first value is 20x squared and 5y squared. We know that the area of a rectangle is L into B square units. You can take the bigger value is L, 20x squared, and breadth is 5y squared. You can multiply 20x squared into 5y squared. You can multiply that. Numerical values are 2 5s are 10, 25s are 100. Numerical values you can multiply 20 into 5, 100. The variables are different. Here x square is there and y square. So you can multiply x squared into y squared is equal to x squared y square. Directly you can write the variables. Third question, complete the table of products. Complete the table of products. So here they have given 4 columns. I am doing only one column for you. directly we can do the sums multiplying the products 2x and 2x. So you can multiply 2 2s are 4, x into x, x squared. So completed. Another one, 2x into minus 5y. You can multiply the numerical value 2 into 5, 10, plus into minus, minus 10. The variables are x into y, xy. Next one, 2x into 3x squared. 2 3s are 6, x into x squared, x cube. So you are very aware of it for the symbols, whether it is a plus or minus. Here plus 2x, here minus 4xy. You can multiply 2x into 4x minus 4xy. 2 4s are 8, plus into minus minus 8. Here 1x is there, here 1x is x into x, x squared, remaining 1y. That's all. Next one, 2x squared, 2x in this column, 2x. Here 7x squared y. 2 7s are 14, x into x squared, x into x squared, x cube, remaining only 1y. Again here 2x is there, 2x into minus 9x squared, y squared. So 2 9s are 18 minus 18. Here 1x is there, x into x squared, x cube, and y square. So likewise you can multiply the further tabular column with the rows and columns. This is called rows. The horizontal lines are called rows. Vertically, what are the things are there? That is columns. You can multiply rows and columns and write the answers. Thank you.